I don't use TikTok. I don't want my daughter knows that app yet, so I don't have it in my phone
Wow,
on
you're a smart
there.
mother. Your daughters don't know what TikTok is?
No, no, not
Wow,
yet.
you're a good mom. Look at you.
Yes, maybe later because in the school,
No,
all the
don't even
kids
show
talk
it to
to
them.
their. No, 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 not for the moment.
So, do you really think that when
So.
kids spend too much time on the phone, it can affect their grades?
Yes, because their mind they are not working as a growing in kind of way of things. Well, it's okay, a little bit. But I think watching too much the games, they don't grow their minds. So I prefer, a little bit and then go outside, play with another kids.
Go outside.
Get angry with the kids, so they have to fix how to, or to be okay with their friend or
Yeah,
that
they're
things.
building their social skills. They need to go outside and talk and fight
Yes.
and play.
Yes, I'm not the mother like I'm in the park and I say, okay, don't touch my kid.
Yeah.
No, no, no. If they have a problem, they have to solve.
Yeah.
So if you have been wrong, you have to tell them, I'm sorry, I'm apologize for this, but I'm not inside
You're
the kids'
understanding that the
discussions.
kids are learning and you're just letting them be. And, sometimes you got to let them figure things out on their own.
Yes, because I don't want they depends of me for everything.
Like, comment, and subscribe. Click that bell notification. Follow me on HelloTalk. Follow me on Instagram. Subscribe. Am I finished?